Keep your distance,
hey,
man.
We just wanted to talk to you guys real quick to make sure that you guys didn't have any ill intentions towards the game. You guys just out here recording.
Why don't you fuck off, man?
Hey, calm down, man.
That's a bunch of bullshit. You come out here with some bullshit like that, you get no respect, homeboy. Get the fuck out of here.
What did I do to you, man?
Get out of here, man.
Hey, dude, I'm just
You
trying
get no
to
respect,
make
man.
sure
You
it's
come
all
up
right,
out here with that bullshit, ill intent bullshit. Get out of here, man. Nobody wants to talk to you, man. Go away.
All right.
You guys are the ones with all the weapons.
Yeah, feel free to exercise your rights, man. Like, got no intentions towards you guys, man.
Nah, man, I don't think so. I think you wish we would. That's what I think. I think you wish we would, man. With all those weapons coming up here with those ill intent, I don't think so, man. You get no respect. Get out of here.
All right, guys. If you guys have
Kick rocks, man. Kick it. All the way back. That's called the walk of shame right there, my boy. Shameful. You would have came up with respect. You would have got respect, my boy. You took the wrong. Yep, you took the wrong route. Damn, shameful right there.
That was quick. We weren't even here 5 minutes.
Dang. Holy crap. That guy gets no respect. You know what? If he would have came up different, how you guys doing? Having a good night? Blah, 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 yada, yada, small talk. It would have been fine.
We just want to make sure you don't have no ill intent towards the game.
Dang. I wouldn't be surprised if this goes sideways right now, guys.
Yeah, he's calling it in.
Yeah. Dang, we're just out here on the street, right in front of the sign. What ill intent would be possibly going through our minds right now, just standing here, looking at a sign, right on the street, right on the sidewalk, guys. It says right there clearly, visitor center and off-base turnaround. So it's obviously this part is open to the public. If you go any further, obviously you can enter their zone, their gate over there. Whoa, whoa, slow down, man. Why are you so hostile? Well, you might have come up with a little bit more decency. Huh? Yeah. Yeah, there's a couple cars that actually pulled in that made a U-turn. They were actually pulling out right here, made a U-turn, came back, just like this guy right here. Marine Corps Police. The Marine Corps Police, guys. Coming in buzzing. They got backup? Dang. I could see them way down there. Looks like they're walking into that little guard shack area. Oh, I just want to make sure you guys don't have any ill intent. What a dummy. Seriously? Dang, that's worse than the Navy guys, huh? At least the Navy guys didn't even approach us. These guys wanted to come out, approach us, and make themselves look like silly gooses. Loose like a goose. What's up to West Coast Digital? Representing. Sorry if the feed is choppy, guys. When I started it didn't look too well. You guys already see what's going on here, so pop back out of here. The feed says that it's doing pretty good. Stream health. See? Oh damn, it's dropping. They're getting us. A couple cars turning out, decided to turn back in. Try about it. You guys can see we're just out here on the public sidewalk. We haven't approached or talked to anybody except for those guys that approached us. Wanted to make a fool of themselves. All right, guys. I know the stream's pretty unhealthy, so if you guys want to see a static version of this, I'll post it later on. I know the feed is pretty bad, though. That's what it looks like. Out here with West Coast Digital. Thank you guys all for joining. If anybody's still in the feed, appreciate you guys being here. And this guy driving with no lights.